Did you know that your gut health can influence everything from your energy levels to your skin and even your mood? That's right. If your gut isn't happy, you're probably not feeling your best. Or how about this? Have you ever felt bloated, tired, or just off and couldn't figure out why? The answer might be hiding in your digestive system, and fixing it could change your life. And here's the big one. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that control digestion, immunity, and even mental health. The good news? You have the power to heal your gut naturally and unlock a healthier, happier you. Welcome to Health Legacy TV, where today we're diving into simple, proven tips to heal your gut naturally. Whether you're dealing with bloating, food sensitivities, or just want to optimize your health, this video has everything you need to know. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Health Legacy TV and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video full of actionable health tips like these. Let's jump in. So why does gut health matter so much? Well, your gut is more than just a digestive organ. It's a powerhouse for your overall well-being. Inside your gut are trillions of tiny organisms, bacteria, fungi, and even viruses that make up your gut microbiome. These little guys are responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, protecting you from harmful bacteria, and even producing hormones like serotonin, which regulates your mood. Think of your gut as the control center for your health. But here's the catch. When your gut is out of balance, it can cause a domino effect in your body. Common issues linked to poor gut health include chronic bloating and gas, low energy and fatigue, weak immune function, brain fog or trouble focusing, and even skin problems like acne or eczema. So how does your gut get out of whack in the first place? Well, modern life is pretty tough on it. A diet loaded with processed foods, chronic stress, and overuse of antibiotics are just a few culprits that disrupt your gut's delicate balance. But don't worry, we're about to explore simple, natural strategies to heal your gut and help you feel your best again. Ready? Let's dive in. Now that you know why gut health is so important, here are the actionable steps you can take to heal your gut naturally. The first and most crucial step is fixing your diet. Start adding foods that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Probiotics. These are the good guys that replenish your gut microbiome. Add foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut to your meals. Prebiotics. These are the foods that nourish your probiotics. Think garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas. High-fiber foods, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains keep your digestive system running smoothly. Avoid gut-damaging foods like processed sugars, artificial sweeteners, and fried foods. They only feed the harmful bacteria in your gut. Pro tip: not sure where to start? Try swapping your afternoon snack for a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Delicious, easy, and super gut-friendly. Hydration is key to maintaining a healthy gut. Water helps move food through your digestive system and keeps your gut lining healthy. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day, and consider adding herbal teas like peppermint or chamomile to soothe any gut inflammation. Did you know stress is one of the biggest enemies of your gut? Stress hormones like cortisol can disrupt the gut-brain connection, leading to inflammation and imbalances in your microbiome. Combat stress by practicing daily meditation or mindfulness, gentle exercise like yoga, and taking breaks to breathe deeply throughout your day. Quick exercise. Try this now. Take a deep breath in for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. Feels good, right? Antibiotics and NSAIDs like ibuprofen can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome by killing off good bacteria and irritating your gut lining. Use them sparingly, and always follow up with a good probiotic if you've had to take antibiotics. Exercise isn't just good for your muscles, it's great for your gut too. Regular physical activity encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. Aim for 30 minutes a day of moderate exercise like walking, swimming, or biking. Poor sleep disrupts your gut's natural rhythms. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stick to a consistent bedtime and avoid screens at least 30 minutes before you hit the pillow. Let's tackle some of the most common questions people have about gut health. How long does it take to heal your gut? Healing your gut isn't an overnight fix. While some people notice improvements in just a few weeks, deeper healing may take 3 to 6 months of consistent effort. Be patient, it's worth it. What are the signs of a healthy gut? A healthy gut means good digestion, less bloating, clear skin, and better energy. Plus, you may notice fewer mood swings and more mental clarity. Can I heal my gut if I have food sensitivities? Absolutely. Eliminating trigger foods while adding gut-friendly options can help repair your gut lining and reduce sensitivities over time. And there you have it. Practical, science-backed tips to start healing your gut naturally. Remember, a healthier gut means a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Health Legacy TV for more life-changing health tips. And hey, if you have a friend or family member who's been struggling with their health, why not share this video with them? Let's spread the knowledge and build a healthier legacy together. Drop your questions or favorite gut healing tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep building your health legacy with Health Legacy TV.